Hello, my name is Helen Ma, and I'm a computer science student, and today I will be presenting about artificial intelligence, which I will refer to it as its commonly called name, AI, throughout this entire speech. AI is a fascinating development in the field of computer science and has become a mainstream topic in the last few years. Popular AIs include personal assistants such as Siri and Cortana, and in this speech, I will be talking about what exactly is AI and the benefits and risk to this new technology. What exactly is AI? AI, as noted by Daryl M. West's article, What is Artificial Intelligence? Is a simulation of human intelligence, usually through a machine, and is designed with the traits of intentionality, intelligence, and adaptability. Intentionality is the purpose of the AI, which can either be very niche or very broad. And designers consider the purpose of the AI when designing it and usually have add-ons to it, such as sensors, so that it can pick up external data and stimuli and analyze it quickly so it can act accordingly to it. An example of this is LiDARs on vehicles. This this technology picks up stimuli from the outside and adjusts the car so that it can drive safely and properly on the road. The second trait of AI is intelligence. And AI has the ability to analyze previous and current data to find trends and build a sufficient algorithm from it. And when building AIs, programmers take in extra considerations such as efficiency so that the AI's function can be more suited towards what the programmer needs. The third trait of AI is its adaptability. And AI has the ability to adapt to external conditions and integrate them into its algorithm. This may not be 100% perfect or suited towards the programmer's needs, so human intervention is sometimes needed to revise algorithms so that the AI can function properly and complete its goals effectively. Some real-world applications of AI include those in greater industries and has been able to make processes quicker and more efficient. And in this discussion, I will be talking about manufacturing and healthcare. In Raphael Siafi's article on AI, he notes that AI being used in manufacturing has reduced resource consumption when building products and has increased the quality of those products since those machines are working more accurately and automatically. Additionally, it can also be used and has been used for keeping track of inventory within a factory and assess the financial risks associated with the company's ventures. In Michael Tye's paper, The Impact of AI on Human Society and Bioethics, and there he notes that it's been used in performing more effective surgeries and in radiology. For surgeries, AI has been used to perform less invasive surgeries, which are safer than those performed manually or by hand by surgeons. And in radiology, it's used to do MRI scans to diagnose illnesses in patients. Despite the benefits listed for industries such as greater and more safer processes in manufacturing and medicine, there are some risks of AI that need to be considered. As noted again in Michael Tye's paper, an increased use of AI would be detrimental to the job market. AI would lead to greater automation of jobs And AI has the ability to replace to do the tasks of several workers and replace them, essentially. So therefore, this would lead to higher unemployment. And especially in the service industry, seeing that there are some machines replacing a various, just a few fast food workers, this would lead to less human to human interaction. And in order for humans to survive, since they are social creatures, they need some human interaction, and a decreased amount of it would not allow them to meet that goal. And AIs can be destructive if not monitored carefully, whether if it's for beneficial purposes and or good purposes. As noted in Future of Life Institute's article, The Benefits and Risks of AI. Machines designed for killing can be destructive if not monitored carefully or if the machine itself falls into the wrong hands. And even for good purposes, AIs made for that can be harmful if it fails to adapt to rare conditions. For example, self-driving cars. If they are unable to adapt to rare or fast-changing conditions on the road, this can be more dangerous for passengers and the driver themselves. AI is becoming more integrated into society, and it and the benefits and faults of it should be considered before a greater integration of this new technology in society. In order for AI to be sustainable, it must be constantly inspected and modified. Thank you for listening.